With a verified educator account, you have access to powerful tools designed to make teaching easier and more interactive. Let's take a quick look at 5 key tools you can use on the Nikkei BizRuptors platform. Tool 1. Bookmark a case. You can bookmark any case studies for later, and they will be in My Bookmarks, where you can revisit them anytime. Tool 2. Highlight and take notes. When you find something you want to highlight, select the text, then click the highlight icon. Your highlights are saved privately in My Notes, so you can review them later or use them during class discussions. Tool 3. Access teaching materials. Each case study comes with exclusive teaching materials available only to verified educators. You can find them at the Teaching Materials section below the table of contents. Here, you'll find a downloadable PDF version of the case study, teaching notes, and slides, prepared to help you lead structured, insightful discussions. Tool 4. View student quiz results. Each case study includes a quiz function to test your students' comprehension. To track your students' results, find Quiz under the table of contents and select the appropriate course name you want to view. Here, you'll see the overall performance, how many students took the quiz, and the correct response rate for each question. You can switch to the Individual Scores tab to view individual students' results, or click Export Results to download an Excel file. Tool 5. Engage through discussion. To see how your students engaged with the discussion questions, select Discussion Questions under the table of contents. Click Share Your Ideas under each question to find your students' written responses. You can also interact with your students through the discussion box. With these tools, you can manage every part of your teaching workflow on the platform of Nikkei BizRuptors.